If you're still plugging your high-power appliances into regular outlets, you're risking serious damage and overloads that can mess up your whole electrical system. Okay, so first off, if you've got stuff like a microwave, air conditioner, or space heater, you want to make sure the outlet and circuit can handle the juice. Regular outlets are usually rated for 15 amps, but some appliances need way more. The best move is to get a dedicated circuit installed just for that appliance, so it doesn't share power with other stuff. You can usually tell if an outlet is low-powered by checking if it feels warm or if the breaker trips frequently. Also, don't use those cheap extension cords for heavy-duty appliances. Those are a big no-no. If you're not sure about your home's wiring, it's smart to call an electrician to check the amperage and recommend upgrades. Simple upgrades like replacing a standard outlet with a 20-amp outlet on a dedicated circuit can save you headaches and keep things safe. And remember, safety first. Never try to DIY high-power electrical work unless you know exactly what you're doing. One of the biggest mistakes people make with high-power appliances is using regular outlets that just aren't built for the load, which causes breakers to trip or wires to overheat. The fix is installing a dedicated circuit with the right amperage. Another common issue is relying on extension cords or power strips that can't handle the wattage, leading to fire hazards. Using proper wiring and direct connections solves this. Lastly, ignoring signs like flickering lights or warm outlets means you might be risking bigger electrical problems. Getting a professional electrician to inspect and upgrade your system can prevent costly repairs and keep your home safe. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who specialize in electrical upgrades and other home improvements. It also helps contractors find steady work by matching them with clients looking for skilled pros nearby.